Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Rub from Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing his hat. Draw 4 bumps across the top here. Then curve lines up on both sides. Now close off the top with some bumps and curves like this, and it doesn't need to be perfect. Next, draw a diagonal line up and out from the bottom left. And then a line up. And close off the top of the hat with a curve. Now let's add the left hat flap with a large angled U shape. Let's add the face shape now. Starting from the bottom right of the hat, draw a curve down and over to the left hat flap. Next, add a long U shape on the right side for the other flap. Let's add some of the details to the hat now. From the top right, draw an S curve coming out. And then curve it in. Now add 2 more curved points to close it off. Next, from the bottom of the left hat flap, draw 2 parallel S curves outwards. And add a curved diamond shape at the end. Now do the same thing downwards from the other flap. Let's add some more details on the hat. Draw a thick cross pattern on both flaps. Now on the top of the hat, draw 2 pointed V shapes like this. Then connect just the right side with a vertical line. Now add a small curved line on either side. And add 6 dots around each curve. Let's draw the face now. Draw a diagonal line on the left here. And a curve under it to close off the eye. Next, on the right side, draw 2 angled curves across the face. Inside, draw an outline of a large X. And a small diamond shape under. And lastly, a small moon on the top. And then color in around these shapes black. Lastly, add a small curve at the bottom of the face for the mouth. Let's draw his jacket now. From under the left hat flap, draw a line down. And then 2 bumps across like this. Now from the left side, draw a crescent shape for the top of the sleeve. Then a diagonal line down on the right. And do the same thing for the outside of the arm, but curve it outwards a bit at the end. Then at the bottom, angle it back in for the elbow. Now draw a straight line across the bottom. And close it off with a curve like this. Next, add a small curve at the end of that line. And a curve next to it. And now let's add a stripe detail inside the sleeve like this. And color it in black. Let's finish off the left side of the jacket now. Continue the line we drew earlier downwards, stopping at the same level as the bottom of the arm. And then angle it in. Now draw the other side with a small line down from the sleeve. And then a line across to close it off. Next, add a rectangle shape at the bottom. And add some detailed lines inside. Lastly, a pointy line under the face here to finish off the color of the jacket. Next, from under the mouth, draw a curve down for the side of the body, and then angle it out at the bottom for the leg. From the bottom of the jacket, draw a point up and then back down following the same angle as the other side of the leg. Before finishing off the legs, let's draw the rest of his body. Behind the right hat string, draw the right collar like this. Then a diagonal line down for the side of the jacket. and close it off with a rectangular shape at the bottom. And add 2 lines inside. Now draw 3 black circles on either side of the jacket here. And then a curved line across between each circle. Let's draw his arm now. Draw a diagonal line on the right here. And then a small curve outwards. Now curve down. At the bottom, step in and draw a bent line back to the jacket, and add a thick stripe inside. Next, let's draw the hand. Draw a rounded rectangle here for the thumb. And then the fingers, starting from the bottom and working your way up like this. Then add some detailed lines on the sleeve here. Now let's draw the microphone in the hand. Draw 2 lines upwards from the top of the hand. And then a wider curve across. Then add small lines up on both sides. Now add a large circle at the end. And add the detailed curved lines inside. Let's draw the legs now. From the leg lines we drew earlier, draw lines down. Then draw similar lines for the other leg on the left. Now draw a line across the bottom for the top of the boot. On the left side, draw a diagonal line down. Do the same thing on the right side, but make it only about 2/3 as long. Then draw the top of the boot with a line over and curve it back down. Now draw a line across the bottom to close off the boot. And add one more line above the bottom for the sole. And add some lines inside. Next, draw a line across the top of the boot here. Then a parallel line towards the right side and close it off with a straight line across. Now add some X's inside for the laces. And lastly, draw the other boot in the same way. And that's it for Ruv. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.